Ever wonder why your cat is sneezing and has watery eyes? Picture this. Your fluffy feline is sneezing up a storm, their eyes red and teary like they've been binge-watching a sad movie. It's worrying, and you're wondering what's wrong. The culprit might be feline herpes virus, or FHV1, a super common viral infection that loves to mess with cats' noses and eyes. Often picked up in kittenhood or crowded shelters, this virus spreads through sneezes or shared bowls and can flare up when your cat's stressed, like during a move or a vet visit.